Wọ́n ní kíkó ewu. Yes or no? So I go when to say that we don't pass. Tí wọ́n bá ṣe exam to pass, wọ́n ní kí ẹ kó oríire. So that is life for you. Please, ẹ make up your mind. I want to make it, and I want to make it in a very clean way. Ẹ má bá wọn ṣe yahoo o. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ tẹ́ wà bí tẹ́ jọkùnrin àbóbìnrin. Don't join them. It will just cut your life short. I tell you, it will cut your life short. And oògùn owó tẹ́ ń pè yahoo nǹkan kan yẹn, kò síbi tó fẹ́ gbé yín dé. Gbogbo àwọn tán sọ pé wọ́n mẹ́kọ̀ owó dolówó wọ́n ṣe ti bí wọ́n ṣe ti bí. Kò ń ṣe yahoo, kò ń ṣe yahoo oògùn owó tẹ́ ń ṣe yẹn. There are so many legit ways to make money. Ibẹ̀ ẹni kẹ́ ẹ ṣí brain yín fún. Life is not all about money alone. I don't have money. I have what many millionaires does not have. Your integrity first. Your name. Your name can open doors money cannot open. Money is not everything. Please, I want you to mark today's down. I want those words to pilot the affairs of your life, and you will never regret it.